Hi everyone, welcome to our summer camp. Today we're going to an outdoor place and doing some summer camp. We're going to do some barbecue and we're going to chill out. This is my friends and we like to hang out all the time. Do you have any friends? Are you guys go summer camp together? I'm sure you do. Okay, let's start it. First, I want to show you guys what I've been cooking. And this is I really like is a squid, and I want to show you guys getting close look. And I have some crab and I have some fish. Ooh, I really like fish. They are my favorite food. Yum 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 yum. And I'm going to show you right here. This one is my favorite lobster. I barbecue some lobster. And you know, lobster, you don't need to put some salt because it's a seafood. It contains a lot of salt. And some crab, same thing, no salt for those two things. And the fish. And those fish is very yummy. The fish doesn't need to cook too long. Very easy to cook. Oh, what she's saying. Yeah, she's such a foodie. I know. She's such a foodie. I like she cook every time she cook for us, and the food tastes so delicious. Don't you think so? Oh yeah, I know. It's really delicious food. And you know, sometimes I don't like fish, but when she cooks the fish, I really like to eat it because the way she cooked, it makes the food is very yummy. Oh, what are you guys talking about? Are you guys still talking about the food? I'm such a foodie. You know, sometimes I really like seafood, and such as a squid and a crab and a fish. Sometimes I'm not that really much like the crab because they have a really hard shell. It's hard to peel. But for the lobster, I really like it because it's just one hard core, and after I peel, it's very easy to pull the meat out. Don't you guys think so? Oh yeah. Oh, you're rolling out. No, I'm not. I'm just playing a joke with you guys. I heard you guys talking about food. I really like the food too. And you know, sometimes I like eating some vegetable too because you know, veggie is really good for us. And sometimes I like to eat some sausage and bacon. And sometimes my mom always tell me if you eat too much sausage and bacon, they're not really good for you. So anyway, I just eat some green peppers to balance out. Okay. Hi. I know. Yeah, sometimes, you know, I really like a summer camp. I just want to change the topic a little bit with you guys. The summer camp always make me feel cool, chill, and very quiet place, and make me very enjoy here. And I like natural. I like nature, and I like hiking. I like to go for a walk. Yeah, me too. I really like those two. This is nice. Last summer camp before school started. Oh yeah, I really love the summer camp.